Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create poll on your Facebook group. Before that, please leave a like on our video, share with your friends, comment below and share your thoughts on our video. Feel free to suggest us any topic for our new video. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further delay, let's continue with our today's video. Log into your Facebook from any browser. On your left hand side you can find groups. Go to groups and go to the group you want to create the poll in. Scroll down and click on text bar. On your right hand side you can find three dot icon. Click on that and over here you can find poll. Now you can give options. You can give more options if you want. I'll only give 2 options as of right now. You can add something on this text box over here. You need to write something on the text box in order to proceed with your poll. Now click on post. Now your group members will be able to vote on your poll. Members can also add option if they wish to. It will appear who has added that option. I hope my video has been helpful to you all. Please let us know if you have any suggestion or queries for us. Like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay connected with us. Hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.